Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about Moon Juice Magnesium, a supplement that promises to help with stress relief, calmness, and better sleep. We tested it to see if it actually lives up to the hype. Moon Juice Magnesium contains three types of magnesium: magnesium citrate, magnesium glycinate, and magnesium gluconate. Magnesium is essential for relaxation, muscle function, and nerve health. This supplement is marketed as a calming powder you mix into water or tea. When we use it consistently, we felt noticeable relaxation in the evenings, less tension after long work days, and a smoother transition to sleep. It didn't knock us out like a sleeping pill, but it created a sense of calm that made winding down much easier. The pros of magnesium are its well-formulated magnesium blend, good taste compared to chalky alternatives, and effectiveness in promoting relaxation. The cons are that it's expensive compared to generic magnesium. Results depend on consistent use, and it won't cure major sleep disorders on its own. Overall, Moon Juice Magnesium is a solid supplement if you want to add calmness and better sleep hygiene to your daily life. It's not a miracle cure, but it works well when paired with good evening habits. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.